Hey y'all, what's going on? It's Cliff with GI Mechanics Scale Modeling. So we're here at the Fulton show up here in, Volney Volunteer Fire Department for the Fulton show. Come in here, see these ladies, sign up, pay your money. Come over here, either get breakfast or eat, fill out your paperwork. So hopefully this is doing the 360, stand in line. So let's go down through here and figure out what do we got. Right over here we got a bunch of Gary Wallace resins. Good stuff. I dropped a lot of dime on that stuff. Got some kits, got some hoods, and we got Dylan over here. So we're going to try to do the whole 360 thing. I don't know how well it's going to do, but maybe we'll all get tweaked out, do an acid hit. Who knows? So I should probably just go down the other side, but so let me try this and see what this does. Probably mess up the gyros. Go over the top here. Oops, sorry. Try this, see if this works. I like that as demo derby car.
I see him out long. There's another guy, gray hair, beard.
Oh, I think I know.
Yeah, he has a bunch of trucks over there.
I think I know.
Probably standing right behind you, ain't he?
Yeah. Yeah, I think I know. I do know.
He'd say ugly.
I'll know if I see him. Carl, right? Carl.
Yay. So we'll see if this video goes a little better. It's that fancy 360 camera I was telling you about, Joe.
Oh, like the one from Sircon?
Yeah, basically. I don't know. I'm going to try maybe laying on the side and get an angle that way. I don't know if the gyros are going to work or not, but... Oh, I know. Well, maybe this one will go just the opposite direction. I don't know. We'll see. And I've got Linda behind me. She's here with Rue. Should be either way. I don't know. We're still working on the 360, so everyone can enjoy the acid trip later. So. Sorry, sir.
That's all right.
Oh, you're good. I don't know. We'll see. This will probably be like tripped out. There's Rue. Say hi, Rue. I wouldn't say the start of the show. I just throw junk on the table and hopefully something sticks.
We're all in the same boat.
Right? Hopefully get this man large scale drag car. More demo dirty cars. They're just so cool.
You can pick them up if you want.
Oh no, that's all right.
You can pick them up.
Nah, we're good. I'm not gonna pick them up. I do eventually want to build one. I want to eventually get there and probably host like a, I don't know, like a Wreckfest group build sort of. Because I've been seeing some of them and
I can a contest out of Bedford, Battle Bash. It's on Ohio. It's a big derby Monday weekend.
no kidding.
We run it out every year we run. For the last 5 years.
No kidding. That's actually
70, 80 cars out there.
wow.
Very wild cars.
That's awesome.
Yep.
No, I just, you know, something cool because it's like, oh, it's got to be like pristine and proper, and that's just like, hell yeah. Like, screw the purist. Man, these cars are. Oh, what's going on, Robert? How we doing?
I'm going to be tripping when
I don't know. We may be tripping. We may not. I'm not sure.
That was quite interesting.
I'm trying to, like I said, I'm trying to figure out, instead of doing it like up this way like I had it last time, I'm going to try, like, I got 360 views, so I'm going to try to, like, angle it over across top of the table.
That was what you set up before? Or
No, I was actually just kind of holding it up like this and kind of doing one of them numbers.
and that's why I played around.
I don't know. It's still figuring it out. But, I mean, hell, it does do 360 stuff. I just got to figure out how to get the parameters set up. I don't know if there's a gyro thing in here that
I bought a basic GoPro last year. That's the high tech as I can get.
I know. Well, this actually, I planned on using this on the motorcycle because it's, and it's like and it's supposedly got an invisible selfie stick. So if you got it, you can like mount it on like the back of your bike or up there on the handlebars, and you can see in front of you. And, like actually, that was like one of the things. I went on a motorcycle ride in Master, the Valhalla ride that the 2-1 CVMA puts on, and I seen one of the guys. I'm like, what the hell is that? And I'm like, oh yeah, that's a go. So I'm like, he paid almost like $1,000 for his. I'm like, well, I only paid, but it also for what I paid for my last 2 GoPros.
Hey, it's me.
Basically, this costs as much as 2 GoPros. So
If anyone
I'm like,
found a black leather wallet,
Still missing.
please return it to the front desk over here if you happen to find one
black
of those.
leather wallet. Good thing I don't use a wallet. I use a money clip.
I left my wallet in the truck. I'm just using U.S. cash. I just put.
Oh yeah. No, I just use a money clip.
I do carry a wallet that stays in the truck.
Yeah.
Unless I can lose it, that means I lose the whole truck.
Yeah. Yup. There's Dylan's bill. Excuse me. I love the steer catcher. This is like pretty awesome. I wish I had some of the skills and stuff like that to make something fancy like that. That is cool as fuck though. Not gonna lie. Stubby Bob. Good old Robert Noggles.
100% done yet. 95. Yeah. Some more touches to it.
Yeah, see, he's already got his done. I just actually took mine out of the box last night and opened it up. But at the same time, I'm just... I like the wood grain. It's actually pretty cool. I like that. Cannot believe how much money I just dropped. But that's alright. Go ahead and wait till the end of the show. One of Dylan's bills. There's that big 1/8 scale Z28 Camaro. There's Chuck's nail polish. guess I'm gonna have to start stepping up my game here a little bit. How we doing, guys?
How about yourself?
Not bad, not bad. You know, I should have probably put some sort of smoke coming out of there. Barn fight with tarp. Part of the YouTube Rust Bucket Challenge. There's one right there. Street rods. I didn't bring my 44. I didn't bring the monster truck. Is everybody going out there? It's a trip.
I mean, I've tried a few things, and it is pretty easy. Once you put the 79 on it, you get it's a lot.
Be careful with the cover. He kills him. They will destroy.
Yeah.
Marco Saw will destroy you.
What'd you do?
Bits and pieces. What I can.
Oh yeah. No, I was gonna say that's pretty good. So.
Some of the vendors do actually stand 1 aisle away from the
Right.
like through the back.
I don't know. I'm working on another acid trip for everybody. So I got that new. I got that.
Is that the fisheye camera?
Yeah, pretty much. It's like it could probably.
Figured it out yet?
We're working on it. We're trying a different angle instead. Maybe there's like a gyro in there or something that moves. So we'll try it because I was holding the camera out like doing one of these numbers. Let's try laying it down here like from above and kind of maybe get it and keep it like moving. I don't know. New technology.
You don't know until you try it, right?
Right, exactly. I'm sure there's probably some sort of stitching or a setting in the actual thing itself, but I couldn't get the app to open up on the computer right. So I just took the files, I downloaded them, and I just put them together in like Microsoft like video editor, and that's probably why it did it, because it probably a certain file or something in their programming with their Insta360 Studio that basically makes it efficient. But yeah, so we're gonna try something a little different. Michigan Madness. Man, some of Robert's trucks, especially on display, are always sharp.
Just take it without me asking. I know you did.
Excuse me. Oh no, we're good. New technology, trying to figure it out. All right, you're good. I like how we shortened that, did that. I like that. Man, look at that detail. That's awesome. Go either way with it. Didn't touch it. I didn't touch it. In there with the trailer. It's got a PAL finger. Scratch belt.
I'm getting out of doing trucks and working in an aircraft carrier.
Oh, never happened. Never happened.
But then I come here and I'm like, build this truck. It's like...
One of my
Yeah, no, they all.
It's like he's got a race truck, kind of. Got that race truck motif to it.
I'm just see this. I'm building this one right now.
Oh, okay.
And it does say it only has the one stack.
Right.
In the kit it has everything to put two on it, but they tell you to cut it off and just go with one.
Huh.
Yeah. And I didn't think that was correct, so I stopped and I got to try to. They give you everything for both sides.
Well, you know what? Run dual stacks on it. How what the instructions say.
Yeah.
Build it your way. That's the way I. You know. I mean, yeah. So it might not be right. I mean.
I think that's wrong. I think that because you can't fit two in there without modifying stuff. You know what I'm saying? So
Right. You could probably maybe get. It might require a little bit of work.
yeah,
a little bit of,
I think I can do it.
Hell yeah. Oh, shit. Lost ladder. We're going on another acid trip. Or I think I'm going to try it because when I did the last one, I had it like upright like this. So I'm going to try to lay it on the side, like a little bit of an angle, and kind of do like the sky view. And then, you know, since it should be shooting out both ways, I can get the back side of it as I go by. So I'm just walking on each side of every table. And,
Yeah, I want to see it.
yeah, I'll have it on YouTube now that I've actually got a decent card reader that actually, now I got a card reader that actually works. And I don't want to be able to tell, so that's what I'm saying. I get the other footage from Sircon and then Acme, and I'm like, it's not a lot of like one of those cheap Walmart ones there. So I just last time I was at Walmart, I went out and just buy another for $5 it breaks. It dies, you know. But yeah, there's quite a few.
I don't live up there. I live half hour south of here.
Really? Good deal. Yeah. Say hi, everybody. Yeah.
Does it have enough room to get the boy in here?
Yeah, it does. I think it's actually picking them up. Hold on, let me see if I can. Yeah, it should. Oh, hold on. It should be shooting 360, but we'll try to go that way. See, I can get everybody in there. Me? Yeah. I know. I probably just screwed up. I don't care to see that. Yeah. It's hopefully it doesn't go like S trippy like it did last time. So. Like how he's got the repair plates in the box there, it's sharp. So I like how he's got the repair plates, stuff like that, patch panels in there. Oh, it does, that's what I mean. It's just pretty cool. There's Chuck's build. This actually seems like it might be alright. So it's still going, so. Welcome to Radiator Springs. This one was at the Nationals. There we go. We got this asshole here. I know the guy who built this Corvette diorama. What a piece of shit that is. I know the asshole who built it. What an asshole. Here's his motorcycle. Had to make some repairs while I was at Acme, or when he brought it home from Acme. A diorama. Where's Panzer? A bike? It's in miscellaneous. Yeah. Well, that's actually sharp. A lot more motorcycles this year than there was last year. Well, those are fancy ones.
That's a V8 in it.
I was going to say, I thought that's what that was.
You see the bike I'm doing, Jack?
No. You're doing a bike now?
Yeah.
Oh, what you doing for a bike?
What kind of bike? A chopper? Gold wing? Schwinn?
I don't know, because I'm... Well... oh, shit, bagger. All 3D printed, right? Or resin or 3D? That's pretty cool.
It's a bagger, yeah. It's a 2011 Honda concept bike it was.
No shit.
What scale?
Large, at 1/16.
Oh, you guys follow YouTube or anything like that? Watch videos? Any chance on YouTube?
I don't too much.
Nah, that's alright. I gave one of my shop cards anyway, so.
I do 3D printing.
Oh, that actually ain't too bad. Where exactly are you located?
Yeah, by Pottsville, PA.
Okay, so you're down there in Southern Tier, okay.
I just do my own, but
No, that's alright. I mean, I don't care. I mean, it's always nice to know people who do that.
all large scale ones here are like the Corvette, the Daytona one, the blue one, red one, the Mustang over here.
Okay. Okay, all large scale stuff. Nice.
And over here I got the Rat Rod and the Mercury. They're both 3D printed.
Nice.
I think that's the only Willie's here.
No, I think you might be right.
Seems to be Willie's.
No. But also depends on the area too. I kind of like how this guy's just got the engine out and stuff like that. And I like that.
Could be two of those. I have a triple one, but I swear I have a black one. Oh, yeah. Very cool. Very, very cool.
Do any of you guys watch YouTube or follow YouTube? No? No, that's alright. I got shop cards here and stuff like that.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
Got a channel. I'm also on Instagram. Don't do much of Facebook per se, but you know, figure something different, something to do.
Yeah,
But
for sure.
I do like a Monday night live stream. I live kind of local, so.
Oh, cool. Well, thank you.
But yeah,
Appreciate
or
it.
jump in on a Monday night. I do a live stream, and you know, got to have leather thick skin to hang out. But other than that,
Love it. Thank you.
Oh, this is juniors. I like that. It's pretty cool. Junior truck. That was going to be a pretty easy class. That's pretty cool. I like how it just. Oh, work in progress. Okay, fine, fine. We got to redo it. Oh, you're good. No, that's all. Oh, no, no, no. That's oh, look at that. Fancy Star Trek diorama. Ruins, motorcycles. Hell yeah. The other side of Boot Hill Express. Come all the way up here from Mass. I'll have to ask him if he's getting in on Hey, Ruin, you getting in on this year's motorcycle group build? I haven't put the video officially out yet, but it's going to be Yamaha. It's going to be the thing, so whether it's like...
Awesome, man. I was going to ask you, yeah.
So I was like sitting there, I was like, I seen the bikes and stuff like that. I'm like, oh, those are I remember them from NNL. So
anyway, I was going to ask you here.
Yeah, no, it's going to be Yamaha. Even if you want to take like a Harley bike or whatever, it's like Yamaha stickers. I don't care. Yamaha had V-twin too.
Yeah,
just saying.
He got his holy grail.
Kenny Roberts.
Oh,
yeah.
So
that's my father owned a Yamaha dealership
right.
when I was a kid, and we sponsored Kenny Roberts.
Okay.
Up in Loudon, you know,
New Hampshire, yeah.
So,
let's try this if we can do it.
I got the Yamaha YZR 500, you know.
Hell yeah. October 16th, but it's not like hard date. Jamie G up there, he's going to be co-hosting with me.
Is he?
Yeah, so it's like, because I had about 30, and it's like I got to put out a video because I've still got some tokens left over. I'm like, because some people were on different things. I never got no email, so it's like, if you don't have a YouTube, email me the information so I can send you your token.
Right.
You know, because I had about 30 last year, and I still got a couple different tokens. I've been doing it the last 2 years. So for 2024, Jamie G is going to be actually co-hosting with me. So
Cool.
and we're going to put that out. I just sent him the thing there. These things just multi-view mode on. What the hell? Okay, whatever. I don't know. It was like weird. I just sitting there and it just popped on. It was like.
Mine does this.
Video, I don't know if
You what?
I'm in his video, I don't know.
I know, actually, everybody should be in the video. It's like still recording, but I think what it is, it goes like a certain time and it like stops like on the GoPro's like 17, 18 minute, times out, and then because it's actually like a minute 10 or whatever, so I don't know, I got this weird multi-view thing on it. I just said, I don't know.
Is that your chopper?
No, that's not mine. That one's mine.
This chopper?
No,
I can't.
I think that's Steve's.
Oh, it's okay.
No, it's not. Yeah, it's definitely sharp. So that chopper and that one took a first and second place, but there was only 2 at the Sircon show. So it was like a guaranteed, like, hey, I took a second place just by participating. Yay, me. So, you know what I mean? It's like, I was expecting there to be more bikes and whatnot, but it was like, it was weird. There was only 2 on the table. I'm like, kind of being a smart ass. I'm like, well, shit, I'm guaranteed to at least place, whether it's third or not, you know.
That's all you can get.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's like,
There'd be 2 entries and I finished third.
right? Yeah, that's why I was going with
I
that.
fell off the don't buy any more kits one.
Oh, no kidding.
How can you go wrong with a Mac?
Oh my God, damn, yeah.
No?
Shit, who the hell had that?
Table there.
Oh, over the table? No
Yeah.
shit.
Let's not end a few more of these because you never know when you might need.
Yes.
I mean, my problem is that I really should finish some of the stuff I have on the go now. I
Well,
want to start about. There's other stuff I want to start.
well, you want to get it started while it's fresh in your head, because then if you don't, then you're gonna forget about it, and
As I was
then
going to say before, I've binge watching some of the trucker movies.
yes,
Steel Cowboy, the Western
yeah,
stuff.
yep.
Yeah, I love that truck.
Yeah, but if I'm not mistaken, from Maximum Overdrive there, the Goblin truck was a Diamond
Similar
Rio.
to- the Goblin was a Western Star.
Oh, was it West? I thought it was a Diamond Rio.
There were Diamond Rios in the movie, but the Goblin truck was a Western Star.
Okay, all right. I knew it was one of the 2. It was just
And it's the same cab on a Western Star, like that, like this autocar lugger.
right. All right. Well, I got to get over this table anyway, so we'll get
Basically, that was like the autocar driver's cab.
right.
And the Diamond Rios, the autocars, the Western Stars, the lights, they all ran the same cab. So the Diamond Rio would look very much like the Western Star, with the exception of the front end. So
Right.
the big green goblin on there would look the same anyway.
Yeah, that's true. Well, that's what I mean. It kind of threw me off, but it makes sense. Man, that's badass diorama.
Yeah. I got a red frame.
Oh, shit, he's got a pit light there. It's up too.
That's actually one that the other people were watching
I gotta grab my notebook out and see if I remember to bring 10 questions for YouTubers. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, the thing that Fred Henry did, the one I didn't get a chance to because I had to go back, pretend I was a faggot, and pack my shit. So, well, I had to go back and pack up a bunch of, work in progress, but I'll tell you, that is just the amount of detail Robert puts in his trucks is like fucking nuts. Joyride in truck. Well, that's pretty cool. Oh shit, yeah. See, made it in a magazine. That's pretty badass. Which model one is that one? 220.
I didn't notice.
Yep. I was gonna say. In an East. Pretty badass. Here's Chuck's, I believe, Slammers. Yep, Chuck Jorgensen and Joe Felber. So there they are on the table. That's pretty badass. They did like a, I wouldn't say a build off, but. And then there's Gary. A couple of his builds. One for diorama. Nice. Amount of detail in that is amazing. That's the drag strip. Ah, scam. Don Wilson. I don't know if he's related with the Wilsons out in Union Springs or not, but.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's when Wayne was those. That's when Wayne would come down for the Saturday for joints. Pretty much blew a motor every week. Yeah, come down and put a new one together.
We're so blessed to be able to.
Progress on this thing is coming along pretty good. Been a couple years in progress, but pretty awesome. Country Squares from Ken Key's collection. Alright, so let's see what this does. So let's walk through. Come on through. Alright, so we're going to walk through the vendor area. We'll see.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
It's a little easy. I've been sitting at the table.
Whoop, excuse me. The vendor areas. Got all sorts of stuff. Battery builders. So let me. Try to walk through. Detail readings.
Yeah.
Just walk through. Road Commander wrecking tow truck, huh?
So, this one, I probably used it.
Excuse me, sir. Nope, no problem.
Herb selling kits for $10 or something.
Where's that?
Herb dropped the prices on his kits, 15s or 10s. Everything else is $5.
No shit, I should have waited because I just went through and bought a shit ton. What's going on? Say hi, Tom. I got fancy new camera here, so figured try something a little different. What's going on? Hey. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Not bad, not bad.
All the racks and stuff are 3D printed.
Nice,
Best thing to do is make a pattern and just
Say hi, Mike.
Hi, YouTube.
Hey.
Say hi, Kim.
Hi, Kim.
Kim hates the camera.
That's all right. I don't care because it's a new one. Let's see. Hopefully it works.
Hope it works.
We're trying, like I said, this time a little different. So we'll see. I got this invisible selfie stick, and I tried running it like at a different angle, so maybe it doesn't trigger. But we'll see.
I used to do something.
Right? Exactly.
No, thank you.
Chicken. Chicken.
He's the only one.
Oh, Thunder 1. Nice. I'm not going to buy it. So I got a lot more money than we really planned on.
No. Just I bought it. I got a standard Yo, you gotta go.
And eBay went along. I just hate
Part of
Everything going, Harold? Going good?
Yeah. I suppose as good as you can. You know?
True. True.
It looks to me, Bobby, you're fine. Looks to me up Looks
All right. So let's, I guess, work on showing our way out. And, oh, there we go. much. And like I said, got the lady, the detail master. Oh, excuse me. No, you're good. Get out of the way here. Got all sorts of stuff. So, I guess
I'll do this for $10. Alrighty.
yay. Alright, now I guess let's go and grab the GoPro and or maybe even the cellular phone and go that way. Alright.
That'd be the best thing to do.
Yeah, so